In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a private video on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to have your Vimeo account ready. So go ahead and open Vimeo in your web browser. Once you've reached the Vimeo homepage, look for the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and if you already have your credentials saved, then just type in your email and password. If not, enter those details now so you can gain access to your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your library. You'll find your library by looking at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Library, and this will take you to a page where all your uploaded videos are stored. Now, scroll through your videos to find the one that you want to embed. Clicking on the thumbnail or title of your chosen video will open it up for you. As the video starts playing, you'll see several options in a panel on the right side of your screen. What you want to look for is the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Once you click that, a pop-up window will appear that gives you a set of sharing options. These options include links for sharing directly on social media, but what we're interested in is the Embed section. Click on Embed, and that will open the Embed settings for you. Here's where it gets interesting. Under the settings, you'll see an option that says, where can this be embedded? You'll have two choices here. You can select Anywhere if you want the video to be embedded on any website, or you can opt for Specific Domains if you want to limit the video to be embedded on specific sites only. If you do choose Specific Domains, be sure to enter the exact website domain where you want your video to be embedded. This step is crucial if you want to keep your video within certain boundaries. Now, once you have your embedding preferences set, the next thing to do is to click on the Copy Embed Code option. This will copy the embed code to your clipboard, and from there, you're ready to move on. Now, you need to go to your website's HTML or code editor. Depending on the platform you're using, the process may differ slightly, but the idea is the same. Open the page where you want to embed your Vimeo video. Find the section of the code where you want to insert the video. This is usually done in the body of the HTML document. Simply paste the Vimeo embed code that you copied earlier right into the HTML code. Make sure to place it where you want the video player to appear on your web page. Once you've pasted in the code, take a moment to double-check and review everything to ensure that it's properly set. Finally, don't forget to save or publish the page after you've made these changes. It's easy to forget this step, but without saving, your work won't be reflected on your website. Once everything is saved, go ahead and check the page on your website by refreshing it. This is the moment of truth. Confirm that the embedded video player appears as expected. You should see your Vimeo video ready to go, allowing anyone visiting your site to watch it seamlessly. And that's it! You've now successfully embedded a private video on Vimeo. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, make sure to give that thumbs up button a click and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy embedding!